Welcome again to the channel. In this section, I will show you two single lines of a basic Swift how you can create an integer and a string. It's simple as it is. The first thing we need the var key to declare our integer or our string. Well, as you know, I already showed you in the previous video how variable is declared. Now, I'm going to declare a var age and assign it to 89 of an integer number. And I will go to the second line and declare another var name and assign it to a string. These two code lines the one is an integer and the other one is a string. What is integer and a string? String is a letter declaration. Integer is a number. Now you can see 98 Swift all on the preview playground. Thank you for watching. My name is Jabril. Make sure you subscribe if you do need more basic of Swift, because I will keep going on showing you more basic. Thank you.